Hey guys, it is still August 15th. I just finished filming this project and I explained everything that I used, what I was using to create this, the types of shapes. And I told you I had left over, so I was going to continue on and make another project with them. So I have several projects in mind, 3 in fact, I think. I'm going to do one on film. It's going to be in fast forward because I have stuff going on in the house today, so I can't really talk a lot. And I'll let you just watch the process. And after that one's done, if I'm still up for it, I'll do another one, but I may put the others off and do them either off camera or another day. So in the meantime, we're gonna get started, and I'm just gonna tell you I'm still using stuff out of the box that I won from Kathy Rose Creations. I'm gonna use some of this tissue paper. I've already cut a piece off of it. I'm gonna use these pieces here that were sent to me, papers from the box, and the pieces I've chosen to use for the project I'm going to do is this big piece here that you saw in the last video, several of the squares, these 2 pieces here, a couple of little dots, I might use more of those, and another square. So let's get started. Okay guys, this one is finished. I could keep playing with it. I could come in and do some finger painting on the face and the nose, but I like the papers just the way they are, so I left it alone. I kind of wish that the poppies paper would still show through, and it does show through. It's just that it's not, you can't tell it's poppies, but I don't know, it just didn't work for me, so I pushed it back a little bit and it kind of went way back. But you can see the oranges popping through here and there, which I really like, and this wouldn't exist if it hadn't been for that paper. So I'm happy with it. This is just what you can do with your die cuts that you, I don't even know where the rest of them went now that I could, oh, they're behind me. If you don't scrapbook anymore, or if you have so many left over that you don't know what to do with because you're through using them in your scrapbooking, or you were gifted them or you won them, like I won these, and I was thinking, well, I don't scrapbook, but I know these have a good use. They can be used in mixed media. So I really enjoyed this, and I have 2 more that I can do from this package that I started, and I may do a video. I'm just not sure. I'm going to stop for the day and think about it, but I really enjoyed it. And here's the first one again. In this video, this one is a video before this one here, so you can see both of these on video if you want to. And I just had a good time with them. They're just so cute, and it's just shapes that were in my bag. And I didn't cut any of them, I don't think. No, I don't think I did any cutting. So far no cutting, but you can cut these to make them the shape you want. I just thought it was funky to do the mouth off the body like that and just leave it rectangular-ish and not try to force it to look like a mouth. You get the idea. You know what that is. You probably knew what it was about the time I put the nose on, or the tongue. Who knows how far into it before you knew, but you definitely know what it is now because I said woof. So somebody looking at this, just seeing the word wolf, their mind's going to say dog. It could look like a pig to somebody. It could look like a cat. You never know. But that's the beauty of it. You know, everyone's going to look at it and see something different. Some may love it. Some may hate it. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I know it's in fast forward, but there's so much going on here today. I did try to show you the products I was using as I used them. I hope that I'm able to you know, pause them in the video so that you can see them. But I'll do another one, I'm sure. And I hope that you like them, because I'm going to do more. I asked in the last video if you liked them, let me know, and I would do more. So the same applies in this video. If you did enjoy it, you do like seeing something like this come to life from just some little shapes on your table, then let me know, and I appreciate it. Okay, and I will see you guys later. Have a great afternoon and a good week. We're only at, let's see, I want you to see both of them. There we go. We're only on Monday. Oh, and did you see what happened to my card while I was working? It just broke right in half, and it's already breaking again right there. You know why that is? These are gift cards that we use to purchase some things for the house by using points. Well, it doesn't matter why. Anyway, these are gift cards, and the paint on them, after I use it for so long, it gets really hard and stiff. And so I hadn't cleaned these off in a while. I try to clean them off ever so often, but these I didn't clean. And so they just broke from the stiffness of the paint. And I can keep these and still use them for mark making, and I probably will. This one will probably be next. I'll probably clean this one. In fact, I'll stick it in the water to remind me to go clean it too. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in the next video, and it'll probably be finishing up these here. So talk to you later. Have a great night. Thank you guys for being here. Bye-bye.